Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A little video about a couple of things about the rectangle tool, which is located right here. If you just draw out a rectangle, you get a rectangle. If you will hold down the control button while drawing the rectangle, you get a perfect square. A lot of people know that you can turn the corner, a radius of the rectangle, but if you unlock it, you can turn just the corner of one of the sides. But you don't have to use this if you don't want it. It doesn't have to be exact amount. First of all, before I change it into a rounded corner, you can put this rectangle anywhere you want to. If we want it 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the side, right up here with your object origin, if you'll pick the left-hand corner, and if you'll type in 1 and -1, it'll put it 1 inch from the corner and 1 inch from the side. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Now with the shape tool, if I grab one corner, I can round off the corners. If I hold down the control key while rounding one corner, I can round just one corner or the other corner. That's all with the control tool. And as always, you can, with the pick tool, you can fill it in with blue, take away, make it black. So I left click fill. Now I'm going to left click no fill. Now I'm going to right click black, and then I can change it, the thickness of the line, to whatever I want. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.